Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're packing our bags and heading off to City Country for an unforgettable adventure. I'm excited to share my top 10 must-do activities that will give you a real taste of what this amazing destination has to offer. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, get ready to experience City Country like a local. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick off our adventure with a visit to the iconic famous landmark. This landmark isn't just a sight to behold, it's a testament to the rich tapestry of history that has shaped this city. Now, no trip to City would be complete without experiencing this marvel firsthand. It's a place where the past and present seamlessly blend, offering a unique glimpse into the cultural heritage of City. Picture this. You're strolling through centuries of history, marveling at the intricate details of its architecture and feeling the echoes of the past beneath your feet. Each step you take is a journey through time, revealing stories of bygone eras. Whether it's a grand cathedral, a bustling square, or a solemn monument, famous landmark is a symbol of City Country's heart and soul. These sites are not just tourist attractions, they are living, breathing pieces of history. Take your time, soak it all in, and don't forget your camera. The photo ops here are endless. Capture the essence of City and create memories that will last a lifetime. Every corner of this landmark offers a new perspective, a new story waiting to be discovered. For me, the true spirit of a place lies in its markets. It's where the heartbeat of the community can be felt most strongly. That's where the locals gather, not just to shop, but to connect, to share stories, and to keep traditions alive. It's where the senses come alive, with the vibrant colors, the rich aromas, and the sounds of daily life. And where you can find those authentic, one-of-a-kind treasures that tell the story of the place. So, put on your walking shoes and get ready to dive into the heart of City Country at its vibrant local markets. Each stall has a story, each vendor a piece of the local heritage. Imagine the aroma of fresh spices filling the air, each scent a hint of the culinary delights that await. Colorful displays of exotic fruits and vegetables, each one a testament to the region's agricultural bounty. And the friendly chatter of vendors hawking their wares, each interaction a glimpse into the daily life of the locals. It's a feast for the senses and a fantastic opportunity to connect with the local culture. Every visit is a new adventure, a chance to discover something unexpected. And hey, don't be afraid to haggle a bit. It's all part of the fun. Embrace the experience and you might just walk away with a great deal and a memorable story. Now let's talk food. When in City Country, you absolutely cannot miss out on trying the local delicacy, traditional dish. This isn't just a meal, it's a culinary adventure that tells the story of City Country's history and traditions. Imagine taking that first bite, the flavors dancing on your tongue, and realizing that you've discovered something truly special. Whether it's a hearty stew, a delicate pastry, or a flavorful street food snack, traditional dish is a must-try for any foodie traveler. And trust me, you'll be craving it long after you've returned home. Let's take a step back in time, shall we? Neighborhood Old Town is a place where history comes alive. As you wander through its cobblestone streets and admire the well-preserved architecture, you'll feel like you've been transported to another era. Imagine the gentle clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages, the sound of street musicians filling the air, and the sight of ancient buildings whispering tales of the past. This is a place to slow down, savor the ambiance, and let the charm of Neighborhood Old Town work its magic on you. If you're lucky enough to be in City Country during local festival or celebration, get ready for an experience you won't soon forget. This is when the city truly comes alive with color, music, and pure joy. Imagine vibrant parades winding through the streets, locals dressed in traditional costumes, and the air filled with the infectious rhythms of live music and dance. Local festival or celebration is a chance to immerse yourself in the heart and soul of City Country's culture, and it's an experience that will leave you with lasting memories. Now let's escape the hustle and bustle of the city and reconnect with nature. Imagine leaving behind the noise, the traffic, and the constant rush, and stepping into a world where time seems to slow down, and the air is filled with the sounds of birds and rustling leaves. City Country is blessed with stunning natural beauty, and there's no better way to experience it than by boat ride mountain hike. The landscapes here are diverse and breathtaking, offering a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility and adventure alike. Imagine gliding along the tranquil waters of River Harbor, the wind in your hair as you soak in the panoramic views of the city skyline. The gentle rocking of the boat, the sparkling water, and the serene environment create a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. Or, picture yourself hiking through lush forests, breathing in the fresh mountain air, and being rewarded with breathtaking vistas from the summit. Each step brings you closer to nature, and the sense of accomplishment at the top is unparalleled. Whether you prefer a relaxing boat ride or an invigorating hike, City Country's natural wonders will leave you in awe. The choice is yours, and either way, you'll find yourself immersed in the beauty and tranquility that only nature can provide. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive into the creative heart of City Country by exploring its local art scene. From traditional crafts to contemporary masterpieces, City's art galleries and museums offer a fascinating glimpse into the region's cultural tapestry. Imagine wandering through galleries showcasing the works of talented local artists, discovering hidden gems, and feeling inspired by the creativity that surrounds you. Don't miss the opportunity to visit a museum dedicated to City Country's history or heritage. It's a great way to deepen your understanding of this fascinating destination. While City has plenty to offer, why not venture out and explore the surrounding region? Just a short trip away lies Nearby Destination, a charming area known for its unique characteristic. Imagine strolling through picturesque streets lined with quaint shops and cafes, discovering hidden courtyards bursting with flowers, and soaking in the relaxed pace of life. A day trip to Nearby Destination is the perfect way to escape the city crowds and experience a different side of City Country. As the sun sets, City transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. Whether you're looking for a cozy pub, a lively club, or a sophisticated cocktail bar, City has something for everyone. Imagine the sound of live music spilling out onto the streets, the clinking of glasses as friends gather for a night out, and the energy of a city that truly comes alive after dark. So put on your dancing shoes, grab a drink, and experience the electric atmosphere of City Country's nightlife. For a truly immersive cultural experience, why not roll up your sleeves and take a cooking class? Learning to prepare a famous dish is not just about mastering a recipe, it's about understanding the ingredients, the techniques, and the stories behind City Country's cuisine. Imagine the aroma of fresh herbs and spices filling the kitchen, the satisfaction of creating something delicious with your own hands, and the joy of sharing a meal with newfound friends. A cooking class is a unique and memorable way to connect with City Country's culture on a deeper level. And there you have it, my top 10 must-do activities for an unforgettable trip to City Country. From exploring iconic landmarks to savoring local delicacies and embracing the vibrant culture, City Country offers a truly enriching travel experience. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.